If you're seeing a certificate error in Firefox on Windows, yeah, that usually means the browser can't verify the website's security certificate. Let's fix it step by step. First, check your system date and time. I mean, if your clock is wrong, Firefox will fail to verify secure certificates. Next, close Firefox completely and reopen it. Temporary security or session glitches can sometimes trigger certificate errors. Now, try opening a different website. Yeah, this helps confirm if it's a single site issue or a full browser problem. Next, clear your browser cache and SSL related data. I mean, corrupted cached security data can block secure connections. Now, disable any VPN or proxy. These can interfere with secure certificate validation. Next, check your antivirus settings. Yeah, some antivirus tools scan HTTPS traffic and can cause certificate conflicts. Now, disable all Firefox extensions temporarily. I mean, privacy or security add-ons can sometimes break certificate validation. Next, make sure Firefox is updated. Outdated versions may not support newer security certificates. Now, reset your network settings or DNS. Yeah, DNS issues can sometimes cause certificate validation failures. If nothing works, reinstall Firefox. I mean, this fixes corrupted browser security files. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve Firefox certificate errors on Windows and restore secure browsing.